garden party. So kids, you're gonna have a great time. If you're last minute, then book on quickly, and if you're not, then make sure that you're praying for this week as we start the holiday club for the kids.
I know that it's hard to believe what I'm saying.
Young adults, this one is for you. On Saturday the 2nd of August, we have got our young adult summer barbecue. Yes, with all the meat like this. So you don't want to miss out. If you're aged 18 to 30 and you're looking for community with like-minded people, come along. You'll meet these guys there as well. They're a lot of fun, but it's going to be a great time together, fellowshipping with food and also a late night movie night, so don't miss out. You can book on to this event and sign up for a church suite. No sign up, no entry, so make sure you sign up and we'll see you there on Saturday the 2nd of August.
Back again. I'm back again.
On Sunday the 3rd and the 24th of August, there's not going to be any 5 p.m. services here at church. That's because after the morning services on those days, we're going to be having a lovely picnic together in 2 locations. We're going to have the first one on the 3rd here at Hickman Park, and the one on the 24th is going to be at Baggeridge Park. So make sure you come along to the morning services and then join us for those picnics on those days. So make a note, there's no 5 p.m. services on those days because we'll be having a picnic instead, and hopefully the sun will still be there. So join us for that.
I'm back again.
Are you new to Excel Church? Maybe you've joined us in the last 6 months or so. On the 7th of September, after the morning service at 10:30 a.m, we're going to have a little Meet the Leaders lunch for you to come along to meet the leaders and to get to know the vision of the church and see how you can best fit in. It'll just be a really nice time to stay for you to get to know things, how things run here at Excel Church. So make sure you let us know if you want to come. You can book in online via the Church Suite website, and you can come along for that on the 7th of September after the morning service. Just to let you know that all our midweek activities are taking a little break over the summer holidays. That includes Kids in Youth Club and also Welcome Brew. So just make a note of that for the summer holidays, but we'll soon be back in September. The Devoted Women's Conference early bird tickets are only here until the end of this month, until the end of July. So make sure that you get yours to get that little extra discount. The Devoted Conference is happening on the 4th of October, but the end of this month is the deadline for the early bird tickets. So don't miss out and get yours today.
Never done, never done, never again. Thank God I'm here, taking every chance I can.
So that's all for Excel News, but don't forget that this week there's no release meetings or connect groups until we're back in September. But check in with your connect leaders to check out for any summer socials that are going on. Have a great week, guys.